Hey, buddy. You guys need help. You're fucking crazy, bro. Yeah. What? That was insane, boys. Good job, good job. Oh, yeah. This dude right here. Bless you, brother. Love you. Get well soon, my dude. What's going on, YouTube? We got this contraption set up for maximum height. We're gonna see how she works. And we got this on 12S, on 6S. Let's see how this works out. All right, y'all, let's see what happens with this. Let's see if I don't break it or not. See how good it jumps. It's gonna jump really good. All right, let's hit this thing. Ooh. Almost exactly what I was afraid of, the sidewalk. But man, it launched it. Wow, it launches it. All right, let's get up here. Oh, I can't. Oh, again, damn it. Did I break it or just the battery come out? Missed the ramp, I know that. Battery come out. If that didn't break something, that's amazing. Oh, the whole battery tray come out. Son of a bitch. That's not amazing. Well, that's not amazing. Ah, hell. Well, that's gonna do it for that. Other than that, though, other than the battery tray coming out, it's good. I'm gonna break the other one out and drive it, and we'll fix this when I come back. All right, there you go. That's a 6S. There's two of them. All right. Either way, 12S. You all don't care. I ain't speed running the damn thing. So there's the beast on 12S. Let's see what she does. Holy crap, y'all. Wow, this thing. Oh, no. All right, let's knock this ramp down enough. I'm not trying to kill this thing either, y'all, so. Make sure I'm getting this, not pointing at the sky. I hope I'm not pointing at the sky anyway. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boys. Oh, that hit so hard. Daggone. Oh, no. Damn. That's just going to break it. Shit like that right there, Kenny. My God, it's out of control power. I think it might be broke now. All right, let's get us a good New Year's Day hit. Are you broke, buddy? What's wrong with you? No, man, you ain't broke yet. Oh, peppered myself. Oh, hard nose hit. Wow, hard nose hit, man. Damn, that thing slap staff. Oh, there went a motor lead. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this motor lead back in this big old girl. I thought it was broke to begin with, and I'm pretty sure it was already broke from the last run, but the front drive shaft is a stock one and snapped the pins off of it. We got some Vitavon at home still to put on it for the front, so we're gonna try to run these packs dead a little bit with rear wheel drive. I'm pretty sure it's been rear wheel drive the whole time. Yeah, that's why it's been driving like that the whole time. So we're just gonna take some easy jumps here and kill some packs. So much power, it don't even matter. It's still got air control. It still rides wheelies. It's been like that the whole time, I'm pretty sure. Oh, animal. I just want to kill these packs for real, y'all, so I'm gonna try to take it easy, actually. Happy New Year to y'all, man. Hope it's been blessed. That's why it was doing donuts the whole time like that, and I couldn't control it when I was whipping it around. Yeah. This probably ain't doing my differentials no good though. So, oh yeah, she's done. We're gonna call it quits right here after this one. Yep, she's done. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it. I don't know if my diff just went out or what, but something just lost power. If you ain't doing something you love, y'all, you're doing something wrong. I'm gonna go put this thing back together, and I'm gonna come right back over here and rip some more. Peace out. I appreciate you, brother.
All right,
hey, have a good day, man.
you too. Happy New Year.
Hey, you too, brother. So in second thought, I'm gonna run this battery dead, just driving it around, because I don't feel like going back home, putting it back in, dragging all this back down here. So we're just gonna try to drive it without the battery coming unhooked. Ooh. Thing handles so good, y'all. And she's gone. Oh, it unplugged itself. Every time I pop a wheelie and she comes back down, it unplugs itself. Freaking animal, y'all. This is awesome. Ain't not even ramping it all the time. It ain't gotta be jumping 30 feet in the air to have fun. Because I tell you right now, this is fun as hell. Oh, let me plug this. Oh my God, look how nasty this thing is. Hold on, y'all, I'll be right back. She's back on. She's back on. Wow. I never really drive them like this, like they should. This thing is a beast, y'all. Basherqueen light beast. Oh, lost some power. Ooh, overheated her maybe. I don't know, she didn't like something, did she? Let's just see what's wrong with her here together. I've been dogging her, see if it's hot. She got fans running, so she should be all right. Oh, yeah, ESC's hot, apparently. My ESC fan is not on. Nice. Not nice. Let me turn this on. All right, y'all. I don't see nothing. Look how nasty this thing is. I don't see nothing wrong with it. The motor, the ESC's not even warm. Like literally not warm. The motor is not warm. Literally. These fans kick ass. Thank you, East Tactics. They're still holding up, brother. I don't know if you watch my vids, but there they are. I'm pretty sure this battery just dumped all the way on me because it won't do nothing. It has no juice. So we'll see her in a minute. Maybe she'll come back on, but I don't see nothing wrong. No hotness nowhere, nothing. So I think she just kicked into low voltage. So that's going to do it for this one. The beast over there was ripping, having a good old time out here ripping with this one. I want to wish all of y'all a happy New Year. I appreciate every one of you guys for coming in, tuning in with me. And hopefully we can keep on growing and keep on having fun. Until the next one, y'all. Later. Out here playing in the mud. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We launched that to the moon a couple times. That's going to be our new standard. Just got to get some couple kinks worked out, but we got our new board. We'll just put a couple screw screws in so we can pack it around the front. And I want to wish each and every one of you guys a happy new year. And I hope everybody's safe out there on New Year's Eve and had a blessed time. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys, the sponsors, the people helping out for the giveaways, that type of sponsor. I don't get nothing else, just giveaway stuff. But well, I got the stuff from JKA Hobbies. But and almost to 1,000, guys. At 1,500, we're gonna make somebody real happy. Maybe even a couple people. I ain't made up my mind yet, but keep on bashing hard, y'all, and keep on doing what you love. Until the next one, later.